coming to the finance bill, comma, I would like to begin where the Honorable Minister left yesterday while dealing with the rise in prices of certain essential commodities. Full stop. At that time, comma, he dealt with the problem on a short term basis. The management of supply and demand during the short period to see that the prices do not rise steeply. Full stop. I would like to deal with the long term durable problems which are almost intractable and which have a tendency to push prices up, comma, a tendency which has been there in our economy for so many years. Full stop. I may remind the House, comma, present government has said that the first task of the government is to contain the rise in prices and that the management of inflation is one of the priority areas of its program. Full stop. Inflation has been one of the key problems of the world during the post World War period. Full stop. There are certain durable factors. Full stop. The first is fiscal imbalance which has been created as a result of the deficit of rupees 7,000 crores. Full stop. I do not know how he can contain the inflation with this deficit in the budget. Full stop. This will give rise to a larger amount of deficit financing which amounts to the increase in the short and long term indebtedness of the government to the central bank. Full stop. And this deficit spending has been going on in our country for a long time and the finance minister has not been able to break away from that tradition. Full stop. But this is not the only point. Full stop. The deficit financing will be more than what we imagine from the deficit budget. Full stop. The deficit in the budget is rupees 7,200 crores. Full stop. In fact, comma, the real deficit is much higher. Full stop. Many critics have said, comma, even the previous finance minister has said, comma, that the deficit has been underestimated because one time payments which should have been debted to the present year have been debted to the last year, comma, for instance, comma, payment of rupees 260 crores to the Food Corporation of India, comma, rupees 500 crores for write-off of loans of public corporations, comma, rupees 100 crores for adjustment of defense payments, full stop. If these payments have been properly put this year, the deficit would have been larger, full stop.